Hey, what's up, everybody? Just wanted to give you an update on Bitcoin and how we're trading the next level. So, I just wanted to tell you that you don't have to freak out, okay? This was the chart that I posted in April, and I haven't changed my chart at all, okay? So, what is going on here? This is Wyckoff distribution, okay? This one right here is the selling climax, sorry, the buying climax, and when it happens, it goes down and reaches SOW and then it goes up. There's an impulsive move right after this, okay? So in this impulsive move, when does it get invalidated? When do you have to freak out if you have to? Take these three EMAs, okay? This is 55, 100, and 200 EMAs, okay? As you can see right here, we are still yet to lose 100 EMA, right? We are still holding between 55 and 100 EMA. We just tapped 100 EMA and going up right now, okay? Typically, something like this can happen. That is, it can go down and grab liquidity below 100 EMA before going up. When I looked at the order book, I can see orders at 63.5 to 63.8, okay? So what can possibly happen is it can go up and grab liquidity here. Like, go to the 4-hour chart. And as you can see right here, this is an equal high, right? Let me mark it out for you. This one right here is an equal high, right? So there is liquidity above it. So when it goes above it, we are going to grab liquidity and it can either come down and take an entry at BPR, or it can come down and grab liquidity below this level at 63.8K. Why do I think so? Previously when I uploaded the chart, I was expecting this to hit by June and this to happen in July. But what is happening right now is we are still here. Okay? So right now there's a change in plan in terms of the timeline, not in terms of the chart. Chart is still the same, by the way, okay? Let me close this so you don't get confused, okay? The chart is still the same, but I believe the timeline is going to be slightly different, okay? So this leg 4 to 5 is what we're expecting between now and September. In September, we're going to see another drop to this area, to 60K area, before it actually goes up to 75K area. Okay? So here, between here and here, we're going to have like 60 to 70%, 60 to 90% for all coins. Okay? I believe that they are going to do really well. 60 to 70% for the last leg is still pretty good. Okay? What do I mean by phase C and D? Phase C and D are this from here to here, okay, till 75K. This is where the meme coins are gonna do really good. Right now, we're still gonna have some good gains from 4 to 5. When do you have to actually freak out? Only when 100 EMA is lost on the daily, okay? When this is lost, if you're freaking out, I totally get it. But right now, we are still yet to lose it, right? And also, like, I pulled a fib from the bottom to the top of this leg, and we're still holding up above the golden pocket, fib golden pocket, right? So I don't see a reason to freak out, at least until now. If it loses 100K, sorry, 100 EMA, I totally get it. And why do I think there's gonna be an accumulation here? Let me explain you. You know, if you go back to 2021, okay, here you see this range, right? This range happened before an impulsive move. So this one, see what happened. It first went up and did a market structure shift, right? There's liquidity above this level. Let me show you. Let me mark it out for you, okay? So you see that? There's liquidity above this level. It grabbed liquidity and then came all the way down and grabbed liquidity below this level, right? So when they want to move it up like that, they typically grab liquidity on both sides before it actually goes up. Okay? So, look at the date, by the way. This was ultimate bottom was June 22nd. Okay? So every time you can go to the chart, yeah, you see what happened in June 22nd. That was the ultimate bottom, right? So the market reverses every year on June 22nd. If it is bullish, it flips bearish. If it was bearish, it flips bullish. So June 22nd is when the market reverses. It is a major GAN WD GAN reversal date. Okay? Look it up. You can just scroll through and find out what was happening on June 22nd every year. Okay? And right now, even though we are expecting it to go up to 74K, remember, once this liquidity is grabbed above this previous equal high, it probably is going to come down all the way down to 63.5 to 63.8K. I'm not saying it is going to happen. I'm just saying that it is a possibility, okay? And as you can see, it is just going to go. I need a brush. So this one, okay? It can possibly go up like this. Go up, grab liquidity, come down, grab liquidity, and then again do this before it actually goes up. When it reclaims this level, see there is liquidity above this level again, right? So once this liquidity is grabbed here, there's going to be another liquidity here. When this is taken, when it retraces back, that's when this is where you enter. Okay, you can enter here. I mean, if you're entering with 10x leverage, this is where you should be entering, or you should be entering here. Now I made the chart ugly. Oh my god, how do I even delete it? Okay, I'll go to my computer and do it. But right now we have to continue with ugly chart. Okay, so when it reclaims 68.5K, that's when everything goes up without too many. I mean, too many hiccups. Like it's not gonna be too volatile. Okay, until that level is reclaimed, you cannot go for a 10x leverage. If you are going for a 10x leverage, target the liquidity above the previous high, the swing highs, and close it. Okay, you cannot just continue like that. You have to wait for 15 minutes market structure shift and enter positions and exit at each equal high. For example, if you're entering here, your target is the liquidity above this equal high. Okay, so you take profits. That's how you should roll until 68.5K is reclaimed. I hope it is clear, and if you have any questions, please do let me know. I'd be happy to help. Bye.